you're providing the software?
Absolutely, yes.
Everything from zero to end?
Absolutely. So if you purchase one of the drones, then it comes in a full stack UAV solution with the software, the GCS, the Sky-Drones cloud, ready to fly standard package aircraft, and you just open up the box, assemble it within 5 minutes, and you're good to go.
And what's the weight?
Sorry?
The weight of the craft?
The weight of the craft. So this
MTOM?
so the maximum takeoff mass of this aircraft is 35 kilograms. We can, however, make a light version of this aircraft with different batteries, and then you are able to operate within the sub 25 kilograms or 55 pounds in the US.
And what kind of money? How much?
So the standard price for the standard package of the aircraft, which is everything included I mentioned previously, for this model, it's at $48,000 US.
And that includes training?
No, training is separate.
Training is separate. Yep. And on-site training?
Yeah, that's all separate.
It's all separate.
Yep.
And what type of turnaround? So I want 3 craft. When can I have them?
5 to 6 weeks.
5 to 6 weeks.
Absolutely, yeah.
And then presumably during that time we can come and train on your craft, so that when we receive our own, we're ready
absolutely.
to go.
Yep. So some of the models we have them in stock, such as the 250 and 350 models, as they're most popular. Those you can come on our site and do the training whilst you're waiting for your aircraft to be produced, and then once this aircraft is produced, you can go away home with it.
And what's your most popular use cases?
Most popular use cases is the ISR type of aircraft. So that's essentially an aircraft with a camera, sort of next vision, or well, it can be really any camera that you want to put on it. Yeah, we can do integrations for quite heavy cameras that would usually go onto helicopters or fixed-wing aircraft, as it has a 7-kilogram payload. And those aircraft would do border patrol, search and rescue missions, or go into police department forces around the world.
Right. And what type of license you need to fly it?
So, well, that depends on your local regulation. So here in the UK, you need to have a GVC, which is a general, what is it?
VLOS certificate.
Yeah. Well, it's a...
But the rest of Europe would be specific category license with a SORA?
Yes, it would be. Yeah. So, especially if you want to go for the full 350 model with over 25 kilogram takeoff weight.
And you guys presumably have a cut and paste section that I can add into my SORA for craft information, craft knowledge. And do you guys help people build SORA?
Yeah, we can do. So we can help to build a SORA, or in the UK, the operational safe case. We can absolutely provide assistance with it, or we can actually take it into our hands and write it for you.
Are most of your clients doing VLOS operations?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, and presumably not overcrowded areas? Yeah.
No. So usually it's either remote.
Oh, nice. Sorry, fancy car over there, but fancy driver. We're all going to have a go in the car afterwards.
Yeah, so usually it's coastal areas or, for example, channels between danger areas around the world where there could be illegal activity happening. So usually it's quite safe for operators to go ahead and get the permissions to operate the aircraft.
Does anybody here have any questions? No? Maybe have a SORA and want to have a go?
Have you landed on a super yacht?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
And it can be all done autonomously.
Oh, amazing.
Well, thank you very much for your time. Thank you, Sky-Drones. So, do you want to come in and get a photograph of the craft inside? Get a little bit?